everyone, welcome to another video. Today I have a subscription box from Claw Culture. Make sure that you check out their products. I have a discount code for 10% off. Enter this when you check out with kizzy10. So here we have the box with our 3 gel polishes that come in this subscription box. I was having a little bit of trouble getting into this box today, but we got there in the end. So those are our 3 colours. The first one here we have mulled wine. So this colour is sort of a deep reddy brown colour. Then we have grey velvet, which is this beautiful grey colour. And then we have red devil. We're going to first swatch the mulled wine. These colours are perfect for Christmas nails. I'm a little bit behind at the moment, so I haven't had a chance to do a Christmas design specific video yet, but I'm sure I'll be able to squeeze one in between now and Christmas. We pop that in the lamp for a 60-second cure. Then we are going to have a look at the grey velvet. And then finally the red devil. All the links to the products will be in the description below, so make sure you check those out if you like what I'm using in today's video. We have a glitter that's called Jingle. It's got lots of festive colours in there. We also got some nail stickers with some moons and stars. On the back it just has the instructions on how to use them. We have these cute little Christmas stickers too. And then we have a 100 grit nail file. And then this cute little thank you card from Claw Culture. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, hit that like button. Don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.